some materials so I can do art therapy tutorials. Did you ever think that you would miss this building so much? Well, I rang the doorbell. Let's see if Mr. Curry is here. It's Mr. Curry! Hey, Mr. Curry, how you doing?
Great, how are you doing?
Oh, super! I can't wait for my art materials. Mr. Curry, do you have any words of wisdom for the students out there and the families?
Hi, everybody. Miss you all. I hope you're all doing well and everybody is safe at home and healthy. I just want to say you're doing a great job. Continue the great work, and if there's anything you need from us, we're here to support you.
Oh, how I miss these halls being full of children, laughing, skipping, and playing.
Hello everybody. I hope you're all doing well, physically, emotionally, and socially. I hope that you're all safe and that you are not driving the people that you live with up the wall. I want you to know that I miss seeing and chatting with you, and that I was out back at the school the other day and I saw this message on the exterior of the wall. I'm not quite sure who put it there, but it did put a smile on my face. But it also made me miss you a little bit more, if that was possible. I want you to know that I feel that you are all beautiful inside and out in your unique way. I hope that you are engaging with your teachers and your classmates through the remote learning that we're all becoming accustomed to, but also at the same time taking time to enjoy things like the sunshine, taking a walk, playing with your pet, painting, drawing, coloring, reading a book. Take time to enjoy those things also, because they are quite important. And I want you during this time to stay healthy, stay safe, and hopefully we'll see each other soon.
Hello, Amesbury Middle School. It's Mrs. Martignetti, and it is spring break, and I find myself missing school and missing all of you. I hope that you are at home taking care of yourselves and enjoying some of the downtime that you have this week. This experience will make us stronger in the end and more resilient. With all of my love, and again, missing our school and all of our students. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.
We recently learned that we will not be going back to school for the remainder of the year. This is hard for many of us. Reach out. Let us know you need support. We can see you on Google Meets.
Mrs. Paul here. I'm one of the adjustment counselors. I hope you all are doing well. If your house is anything like mine, I'm having my good days and I'm having my hard days. So one of the things that helps me get through right now is making sure I get outside and take a walk every day.
Hey guys, I'm Miss McCaffrey. I'm one of the adjustment counselors at AMS. I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you're doing well. I know that some of you are having a really tough time with this, so I just wanted to take a moment and honor that. It's important for you to honor your feelings through this. Don't judge yourself. Don't be self-critical. Don't put yourself down. It's understandable and it's completely valid. We're going through some very challenging times. So take it easy, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and hopefully I will be creating some more videos and teaching you more about self-care. We also have a school counselors Google Classroom that Mrs. Bailey started. Thank you, Mrs. Bailey. And Mrs. Bailey, Miss Scott, Mrs. Paul, and myself are posting once a day, Monday through Thursday, on that classroom, all sorts of different activities, things about mindfulness, ways to manage your anxiety, So please join. I would love it to see more students on there. Nothing is required or mandatory. We just want to provide you some resources to help you get through this. So ask a teacher, or you can email a counselor directly now that you will have had all of our email addresses, and just say, I want to join the counseling classroom. I want to make sure we all take a moment to say thank you to the teachers. Woohoo! They're working so hard on being creative and keeping lessons fun and engaging. They want to keep learning alive. So thank you, teachers. I want to walk you through a quick little exercise to help you calm down when you're feeling heightened and anxious. So let's follow along. Here we go.
Take a slow, deep breath in through the nose, filling the lungs all the way up, and pause for 1, 2. Exhale out through an open mouth, letting a sigh out. And repeat, breathe in through the nose, filling the lungs all the way up, and pause, and exhale out.
Do we feel better? I hope so. If not, this next clip is sure to give you a little laugh. Humor is so important. It's one of my favorite coping skills. So make sure you're doing things to generate some laughter. So bye for now. Enjoy the rest of the video. Take care.
Here's a little tip from Tilly. When you go for walks outside, look for gnome homes. Hey there, human. You got a problem? Oh, gee willikers, I'm awfully sorry. I didn't think that you actually existed. Well, we sure do exist. It kind of hurts my feelings a little bit. Well, I was taught that gnomes were just a fairy tale. Well, yep, I sure am real. This is so cool. I can't wait to show the world that gnomes are real. Thanks. Great meeting you. Do you have a name? I'm Tilly. Well, Tilly, yes, I do have a name. I'm Norman. It's a pleasure to meet you. Well, Norman, what a delight to meet you. Have a great day. I will, thanks, and you too. I hope you enjoyed the video there, AMS. And until next time, toodaloo.